Let me show you the fastest way to search subscribers in MailerLite, so you can find exactly who you're looking for in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into your MailerLite account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Go ahead and click on Subscribers from the navigation menu on the left. This opens your full subscriber list, which is where all your contacts live. Near the top of that list, you'll find a search bar. It's a simple text field, easy to spot. Click inside that search box to place your cursor there. Now, the most common way to find a subscriber is by their email address. Enter all or part of their email. MailerLite will automatically filter and show matching results as you type. It's fast and works even if you only remember a portion. You can also search by a subscriber's first or last name. Just type it in, and MailerLite will instantly narrow down the list to any contacts with a matching name. If you've set up custom fields, things like company name or customer ID, those are searchable too, as long as the field is enabled for search. So for example, you could type in a company name and find every subscriber linked to that business. Take a moment to review the search results. The list will show you all the matching subscribers, so you can confirm you found the right person. Click on any result to open that subscriber's full profile. From there, you can see their activity, groups, and engagement history. If your search returns too many results, just add more specific keywords to narrow it down. When you're done, clear the search by removing the text or clicking the clear icon. Your full subscriber list will pop right back. For even more precision, try combining your search with groups. Open a specific group first, then search only within that group's subscribers. Similarly, you can apply filters before you search. This lets you target results by criteria like open rates or sign-up date. Finally, always double-check the subscriber profile to make sure you've got the correct contact. There you have it. You now know how to quickly locate individual subscribers using MailerLite's search functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!